I wait for next. Just clean my teeth, guys.
Let's see. All I need to do is invent,
Yep. Just come out of the dentist chair and I got the doctor office now. My Christian is the sister Emmanuel and truly do. A real big man though. Look at my teeth. I mean, I use the whitening. When I ready, I use the whitening September. And whitening my teeth. Clean. And make your look wider. Like a food in there. Yeah, I read all the things.
Just reminder for next visit. Eh? Because I don't want to miss anything. So next visit, I'm planning for that so that I can realize what to do. Eh?
Okay. They for me, they for you. But if you not hear the person, no.
They were, yes, even the other doctor. Because I work here only Saturday.
I came on
that's what-
Saturday, you weren't here.
Yeah. Hmm?
I came the last time.
Oh, at that time I went in UK. That's for my exam. Yeah, June.
Oh,
yeah.
you told me you
Yeah,
were
yeah.
going.
I went in UK. Therefore,
How was it?
yeah, that's good. I passed the exam.
I passed.
So, yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you. So maybe end of this year, maybe I may get through to my training. So yeah, maybe.
They
I'm
have
not
a
sure yet.
special area that you're going
Yeah,
to.
this GP, like we call family medicine.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's I try for it. To train for more. Experience.
So now you're registered to see us.
Huh? Yeah, I have a registry. This is my registration.
Oh, so what you
For
did,
Jamaica.
wanted to go.
So
further.
now I pass the exam. I have a kind of this. This is like medical council of Jamaica. Now I pass the exam. Now I'm planning to apply medical council or United Kingdom also.
Okay.
So I'm allowed to practice in this Caribbean and then UK also.
Okay.
So and then now I got the training and whatever
So you have
maybe
plan
come
to
back or
leave,
whatever.
leave Jamaica, go where?
No, I'm a resident of Jamaica. Go to and from. Now worries, just 10-hour flight. Like boom today is UK and then boom today is Jamaica. So,
Okay.
unless it is not COVID, like COVID.
Yeah.
Otherwise things are easy.
You look like you love it out here, man.
Sorry.
You love it out here.
Yeah, because I love it. This is like for example, where I grew up back home is like my biological mother. Like this is my stepmother. Like very good stepmother.
Yes, that is nice.
Yes.
So
I left Jamaica, trust me, because but
So
was
the-
not like like
So the crime, trouble you?
Hmm?
The crime.
The crime, yeah, of course. That's the thing we need to. But the same thing, like okay, so like initially I thought, oh, this country a lot of crime like that. But right now, oh, how in here the crime they will be good like that way. My opinion changed a little bit.
Yeah.
So initially like, oh, it's not like right now I'm the same like not the appearance the same, but we think like whatever Jamaica, like Shelley and Fraser and we racial. Hey,
You
like
cheer
that.
too for
Yeah,
me?
of course, because we're here, we're in this place for 9 years, 10 years. Why not? We support it,
Wow,
Yeah.
that's nice.
But yes, of course, I love my, where I grew up.
You
I
tell
love
me the
that,
last time.
Yeah, but of course, I love this, Jamaica.
So you're going back to visit your home?
No, not now because over there the political issues they continue.
Okay.
So I can go back, but I'm afraid of I cannot come in.
You maybe can't come out back.
Yeah, the dictatorship. Sometimes.
So the last time you told me that your wife was coming, she reached now?
No, she's because I don't know. There's a long story.
Oh.
She cannot make it to come.
So what you gonna do?
I don't know. just need to sort it out. Right now, I'm busy with my
Work, so that
work
take it
and
off for your
things,
man.
So, the thing is, when they come to here, they have nothing to do, so they might be
Bored.
they're boring. That's why they not really want to.
So you don't have kids?
No kid.
Oh.
So that's why I'm gonna make it. So.
So you have to go
Yeah, I
I
wait for a certain period of time.
Yeah.
That period pass, maybe.
Never gonna move on.
Move
So it
on,
not hurt
yeah.
you?
Huh?
It not hurt you?
It hurt, but for me, I'm used to it, But because of being in Jamaica,
Yeah.
that issue are not stable. I have so many experience, not so many, just a few experience in the past.
Oh.
So suffer already, no more.
Oh,
Just I
okay.
feel it, but it not affect my functionality. Yeah.
Oh,
Do
so
what you have to
you
do.
grew up because that over the years, so you get used to it.
Yeah, I guess you usually like kind of mature.
Mhm.
When I was 4 or 5 years ago, well, can I make it? Like that.
Yeah.
But right now we are mature, so we know that this is like a chapter, one chapter.
Yeah.
This is a chapter, so we move on and how to make it best for them.
Okay.
So we should not be selfish, So make how best we can do. So if she can follow, no problem. She
But is
cannot
the
follow.
much do she want to come to?
I don't know because she will know.
You
So
know,
one time she
her
said,
coming.
I cannot fall because if I falls,
Mm-hmm.
because if she reach here, she cannot make it. So I say that if she truly want to come, come. I try our best to treat her.
But maybe she can pre you to, in the sense that you leave her and come out here and make yourself comfortable.
Yes.
And should I maybe prefer you come home, right?
Go home? Oh no, because go home mean that's the thing, because over there, digital shit there, so I cannot continue go back home. But things finished, I can probably go home. But right now,
So she alright over there?
she's alright. But over there, country condition really, really, the tension is in the higher point. The democratic and the military are fighting.
So when you talk often, phone?
Yes, of course. Sometimes.
Well, maybe you soon.
Yeah,
When you
yeah.
have Asian friends out here too?
Huh?
You have Asian?
Yeah, it's your friend, yeah.
Maybe you soon find an Asian girl.
But I don't know, because in some community,
Yeah.
some Asian girl, they don't like the Asian boy.
Oh,
They
like-
prefer Jamaica.
Eh? So you have that to me?
Yes.
But you maybe we have a
Oh,
Jamaican
yeah.
girl
Mm.
when we come, when we walk.
That would be it. Right?
Mhm. So
For the
that-
pressure tablet, you have it, you can take it.
Alright.
Sugar mat, there. And that's why I write it down.
Yeah, so we're gonna watch and see.
Yeah,
So
watch
make
and
a
see
lose
for
some
the-
weight.
Yeah. No, I say that. Not lose. Not try not to gain weight. I don't say
Sorry.
not to, right? That word will make you stress. I don't want you to live with stress.
Okay.
So do what you can do. Your target is in your at home, but try not to gain weight.
Right.
Try not to lose weight. Try
Yeah.
not to gain weight.
Alright.
So that means positive vibe,
Yes, that
If you
love
say,
that.
oh, not losing weight.
Yeah.
So try not to gain weight. So when you check in the weight machine, oh, okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we will see. Keep in touch, right?
Me just let the people have see you one time.
Okay.
That's doctor.
Okay.
Yeah, alright, thanks.
Okay.
Hello. Yes, guys. So, I come from supermarket. See there? Things them run at the back. Some of them I want box down there, so I me pack them myself. So, let me talk about that first before me talk about when I really come for talk about. Big up Sister Emmanuel with my hairstyle, she and Trudy. Yes, guys, you know the time I didn't really put in my ear because I'm sweating on my ear. My face looks so bad, what I do from morning. So if I look greasy, check my scarlet, come I clean my teeth. Yes, guys, I clean my teeth and I do a little checkup. Because so me that divert and come back here. So when you know some of my mother already, I'm not so stable. Yes, guys, so it's the end of insurance card, your insurance card where you go as doctor with dentist and all of that. So it's up tomorrow. So of course I know me want have card up tomorrow. So girl want clean her teeth before the card up and go visit the doctor and so forth. So me never have no time because we have revival service 3 nights this week. So guys, let me tell you now, when we do the video today, the 30th of July 2022, me have so much videos, so I don't know when this will come out. So you don't know the trips already. Yes guys, so my eyes, when you can see, say my eyes come on, but through a pure late video, yeah, my eyes them are come, it's just run it black. Yeah, it was allergy guys, right? So girl go get her teeth clean. All my tongue the woman scrubbing. Clean her teeth up and then and like yeah, so all about. So anyway, my have you know I tell you that take out her teeth out there so so here the lady now. If me I go put in denture, I say, oh. She said because when you bite, you know, I said me said I don't have no problem. I don't have no problem if I lose that teeth, yes, so I take out that teeth. So I said, me? Then Chum said, no, so no. I said, all of the smile is intact. I said, me? I said, then you guys been having no bad for say about people when wear denture, because if you could do better, you would wear denture, right? So what me I said for me, guys, me love kissing her. Me don't want to kiss her. I'm a teeth coat in nobody's mouth. Not say that happened to nobody, so nobody come and tap me, guys. But me don't reach this yet. So she's coming. I tell her like I have anxiety, you know, guys. So you know, so them care about your head. Me didn't want video, but she say I know video policy. So them care about my head. And you know, so sometimes them lower your head and them sit down and them want to go in your mouth. Guys, me have anxiety. See, I not breathe. I breathe through my mouth. See, if I feel like me a stifle, a problem. So it has be going so. I say, miss, I give trouble here. I have anxiety. Don't assume trouble big. I go be myself. So she say, oh, what cause anxiety? I say, I have breathing problems. So I breathe through my mouth. So if I feel like my down and over me, it will make me feel away and stuff. So she say, if I know say my head, I have to go back. So I say, yeah, can I first be clean my teeth? But the first time I did one man clean it and me can give him a good problem and I like, what if a problem me give him? I think him do rough and I think him never do everything. And that's how I win when I do medical, clean my teeth. Now I clean my teeth at one different place near where I live. And when the woman done clean my teeth, then she polish it, she clean her tongue, then she floss it. You know, I say, brand new. Right, that's all. Yes, sir. And when I do, I go to the doctor. I tell the doctor say, since I do the surgery, you know, I put on, I lose the weight and I put on weight and then I tell him say I don't want something to lose weight. Him say no, that's not good because it has side effect. It's an Asian doctor, guys. Yeah, I'm going to put in the part tonight when me ask him question and him answer. Yeah. So I'm going to see that little part. Him cool, you know. First time I come to the doctor, yeah, him did deal with him. I always want see him back, but he tell me say I go England, I go do some tests, so it look like him come back. Him cool, guys. When I say cool, him cool. Yeah. So me and him did have a talk. Say, you know, me tell him say I feel some stick under my belly bottom, and sometimes since the surgery, I feel one numbness on my private part. So me da ask him one, and he must say, well, them say me not have done sugar, but some that sound like symptoms of it. Say him do my sugar test, and then him say it's normal. Several. Him say that nobody know, you know. So him not tell me. Say him don't want me get bigger, but him not stress me out to lose the weight. So I say no, me need to lose weight. Come close, them not fit me. Them say if you put your mind say you want to lose weight, then it will go stress you out to lose the weight, right? Him say I lose a pound since the last time. Meanwhile, when me see me again, him tell me say I lose 20. And guys, my clothes them can't fit me. I feel just a total things in a barrel, so and that's not healthy for me. So I say I'm gonna do some walking and so take out my sneakers and You know, get look walk. And I keep myself active and I know some have some fasting for do. So that too. Yes. What else am I going to talk about? So I'm going to the dentist, my dentist experience and doctor experience, because as I said, the insurance I go up, and my boss pay for the insurance for the workers. And the money pay and we don't use none. Of course, we need use it the time when I do my surgery. Yeah. The surgery was 1.4 and one card. They claim say them take off 80. That I made have a next card and Sagicor, and this card pay the most. When I done, I did pay 2,000, must be 400 or 600. The video them did for that. But then afterwards, Andrews contact me and tell me say Sagicor never pay, them refuse it. And me owe them $80,000. Remember saying, me send in everything, and then pass it, and say, I'm good, I'm clear. And me do my video, I'm claims my thing, and give God him glory. Then me hear them and say, it never go on, because I did somebody who did love me. They put me upon them healthcare, and me and them is stop talk. And about some 6 years or so, we stop talk, so I guess him fling me out finally. But if they never gonna take me off unless I'm married, I mean I'm married yet, but go to fling off the clock. Anyway, so them say me have the 82, me send 5 grand out of the 82 already. Me not have no money, Okay, I did look at car payment and all these things to do. So I have that to pay for. So guys, if you work somewhere, it is good if you get in the insurance, the car, you can go up on the road and so. What else we want to talk about? Yes, some supermarket or my shop now. Them especially when me and Pisha come and them tip them good. So say them know yourself. The line them long, them a dry you. Go in and one shot line. Say you have one guy we working at the supermarket with him dumb. You call him, how them call him, mute? When them dumb and them not here too. I mean I know the word. Put the right word in the comment section. So him come from a chali, and I push it in a one shot line, I mean say I have no cash for me but my card. So I should have a look if I can draw money over this. Me have no money for me more than my card. So I say, I make him drive me to the line because I know my expecting. Boom. I tell him come drive me about 2 to 3 times. I say, leave me alone, I soon cash. Then I say, better meet a woman in front of me. I say, better me get rid of them. I say, I can't have, I have no cash. Don't me walk, Don't me walk, so Jamaicans don't know how to live. Don't me walk, don't me should walk because him try to say, I got him try to say, oh God. Because him knows say rope, so him come back here and get it. Like, then now I'm doing that, like, Him not try to say, that good man, don't me walk, Paul me good. I never buy no skill, Yeah. Don't me walk good for me. I have attitude. No, I never have an attitude. Laugh. Him just alright, next time I walk. Anyway, nobody not there the woman where pack me. So me there pack myself. Just a training thing same. But it's a bag and a box. So usually if I want bag, I'm not buy enough things. Just lift up my bag and go and come and save back my bills and my 2 bills. So I stand up there, so I said twice, so where the people them there where I park, she say. She don't know. So same time she see one guy and I call him. Him not playing no knowings. The one next one come. Some said to him say, I can't have me not have the cash here. He ain't that good man. So I say, when I come home, I say, don't me try to see me. I have to make sure say I see me mouth, I say, never again. Don't touch my cat, You have to give him one of them ugly face there. I said, don't touch my cat again. And then him take me for cocaine. So, and this reading on the box right up on the ground. Guys, my hungry, I tell you, I try to keep myself busy. and eat, but it don't make no sense because our time now to 9. I'm just ask Fisha if she cook something because I buy something out of so. And so she cook bully beef and rice, you know, so rice not for eating at the hours so. So I take a spoon of rice because the wait have to go, guys. The wait got to go. So yes, guys, this is how my day went. So you know, me I go put in. Just get a picture with me in the dentist chair. After she don't clean it. And then when I'm at the doctor office, I shut up my mouth. And when I'm at the waiting area, so I fill my prescriptions. And yeah. And I may have something else I want to talk about, you know. Quick and fast, coming on the video too long. So how am I to put it now? So you know, somebody was complaining to me about a situation. Say, you know, they were out with a female, and them don't know how to tell the female. Say, you know, her arm kind of smell, and her, you know what? Let me leave this there in another video. Because this is too much something. So me I leave this there in another video. So anyway, guys, remember to like, share. So why them never clean my lip too? It feel dry? See, it look nice, huh? Yeah. So guys, big up on a nice clean self. I know some hardly actually about the video. Them I have them, you know. Guys, may I keep on conference. And may I try to do as much as I can do before I go back to work. And I not got put out no video on work time either. When I go back to work, me do my premiere them in the night. Yeah. Change up some things for the work season. Yeah, but I just feel nice in the AC, so guys, the AC fixed. Then the AC fixed, then I feel. I never remember when, at the video I watched right there one time, I say, so me dog done the video, me a parrot, you know. When the month, remember I said the month, I say by July, I have to go buy front shocks. So I start feel the vibration, you know, the gas pedal, and all these things, so. Me I look about conference, you know. And my money them have to do my conference and then sitting around with the car where they make me change this pad. I'm go change one tire and the man say this pad them done. And me have to go buy this pad same time at Daytona and then go back and put on this pad. So you know say all of that money. No, me hear the car shake. Whoa, I mean I like it, so I'm not really gonna make no more video drive now. I'm kinda tired of the driving video. So until the dispatch change already, until the front shocks change, which me know by this post the shocks change already. Yeah, because I won't have video, me and try to race out the video then, but I'm a busy woman. Hey, you guys have to work and I bring in the papers, you know. I mean, I tell a lie. YouTube not ready for busting me yet, you know. I see one big YouTuber, my mom see 400 subscriber. And, what? 400 subscriber, and the man say he might get 1,500 a month. I say, people, I say, if you follow people, some of them like Karachi show. When they make you want to kill yourself, like say, yo, if you have loads of views out there, do the things them, yeah? Like me, when I have the pranks, who start coming some pranks, you know? Yeah, I still start coming some pranks. I just want to sick of myself. Good timing. Guys, we had, so you can't shut up, you know, but say you got done dibs, they can't shut up. Somebody would have say, I want to with you, I got to talk, I'm more clean. Yes, guys, so let me close the video. As I'm start another topic, it's not done. But guys, yes, me at the AC, I feel nice to say. And you know, sometimes I feel I'm mad man, I'm still showing you, know, because I know something nice. Sometimes I say, you know what, guys, me don't know, say, I tell you, so when me edit before the end of the morning. Like, when I wake up and go bathroom and I pray and I don't want to sleep, me draw for the phone and edit. And I see them because something there, yeah, you know, but you see, when you edit it, I see some nasty sitting, but I say, boy, I have to tough it up. I can't bother that show my video them. Because if I say, I gotta keep it real, I gotta have little things in my eyes sometimes. I got maybe video and one piece of bugu make there, so right, so maybe I talk and sit each other in our teeth another time. I read thing, I read people. I say, all we go to bathroom, we go to toilet, we get up, we feel hungry. But I have matter now, all of the Kardashian, them to them wake up with matter now, them all of the top celebrities, them use the bathroom too. You understand? So if you keep it real, keep it real. You're not purposely go out there, go put out video out there with your eye look so. But not them time, the mind words. I'm still need to check out the eye, you know, but when me and try to come catch over the eye place, you're the girl, no? The eye and the dentist are one. And maybe I swap for to get out shades, you know? But yes, guys, I'm going to eat the bullet before I see warm them and say, oh, I'm hungry. So I'm going to eat. So big up, oh, I know I'm not going to tell you now. But I tell you now another video. I just remember the video got too long. I'm going to chat like a parrot again. So tomorrow I make another video. Yes, guys, so I kind of tired of the driving and the, you know. But I like it, I'm a cool space. And guys, I'm going to see me live again. Let's wait till I'm done with the conference. I come back live. It's hot topic. Keep it yeah. 100, yeah. I'm happy over here. My life is very fruitful. Me no want a friend from them. Them a worry about me no worry about them. Talk about me no talk about them. People them a person, I wonder if me have man problem or me I get off so me can't bother with them. I see the people them I say look like I forgot cause somebody forget that mother man there. So guess what? Love you guys. Heart of love. Love and appreciate you all out now. Big up on a nice clean self. You know, me give two shout out. Me always shout out to Love Ice. Me always I see her in the comment section. Dennis Weir. Where's you have Glory something and I don't remember the name, you know. Sometimes Willows big up yourself, Overton big up yourself, Walking Purpose Monica. You know, persons will come through and some name I can't call products and some African name, but big up the whole on big up on a nice clean self. They love and appreciate, you know. To the max right this.